You interact with this stuff every single day. You're probably holding it in your hand right now. It's the silent power behind your phone, your laptop, even the cars of the future. So, what is this hidden force? Well, today, we're going to unlock the secret life of lithium.
No, seriously, think about it for a second. How can a tiny little device like that hold enough juice to keep you connected to the entire world all day long? What's the invisible ingredient packed inside
Your smartphone.
Your laptop? And yeah, even the electric cars that are completely reshaping our roads, all of them, they share the exact same powerful, invisible secret.
You guessed it, the answer is lithium. Just this one single element is the quiet, unassuming hero that powers our entire rechargeable world.
It's become so absolutely essential, so valuable to how we live today that it's earned this awesome nickname, white gold. So, in this explainer, we're going to follow its wild journey, all the way from a simple rock to the engine that's literally driving the 21st century.
All right, so where did this all kick off? Believe it or not, the story of this modern powerhouse, it starts with a humble, pretty ordinary-looking stone. Okay, so lithium's resume is, well, it's kind of quirky. It's element number 3 on the periodic table. It's a soft, silvery white metal, so soft you could literally cut it with a butter knife. But here's the really wild part. It's a metal that's so incredibly light, it actually floats on water. Yeah, a floating metal. That's why its name comes from the Greek word lithos, which means stone, because, that's where they first found it.
And its history, it's just as weird. It was discovered back in 1817, but then, get this, by 1929, it somehow became a key ingredient in 7-Up. Yep, the soda. Its original name was actually bib label lithiated lemon lime soda. I'm not kidding. Now, as you can probably guess, putting a highly reactive metal in a fizzy drink wasn't the best idea, and it got banned by 1948. It really wasn't until the 1970s that lithium finally found its true calling in battery research.
But don't let those humble beginnings fool you. Because while lithium might look all soft and gentle, it has let's call it a fiery, explosive personality. This is an element with 2 very different faces.
And the contrast here is it's night and day. On one side, you've got this calm, silvery metal that just gently floats on water. But then there's its other face, its fiery side. The second it touches water, it reacts violently, boiling and releasing flammable hydrogen gas. Just leaving it out in the open air makes it tarnish. And if you have it as a fine powder, it can just burst into flames, all on its own.
So how in the world do you even handle something so reactive? Well, scientists came up with a pretty clever solution. They store it completely submerged in mineral oil. That keeps it safely cut off from both the air and any moisture.
And here's